If you're looking to update your menu and add a new item to your dashboard in ORO POS, I'll walk you through the steps. Start by logging into your ORO POS account where you can see the main screen. Click on Back Office, which is where you can make administrative changes. Once you're there, click Explorers to see the options. Select Menu Items. This will bring you to a new page where you can manage all your menu items and add new ones. Click on New Item at the bottom left of the screen. A new tab will open. This is the General section, where you can begin entering the details for your new item, including its name, description, price, and any other necessary information. Be sure to be as detailed as possible so your customers know exactly what they're ordering. If the item requires toppings or customizations like extra cheese or a side of fries, you can simply click on Modifier Groups, then hit New at the bottom left. Under Group, select the type of toppings or modifier you want. Select OK and repeat this process as needed. To make your new item stand out, you can upload an image. In the button style section, click the three dots icon. Select the image from your computer and upload. Once you've filled in all the details and added any images or modifiers, don't forget to click Save to finalize the creation of your new menu item. Now that your item is created, it's time to assign it to a category on your food menu. Go back to the Explorer section and choose Menu Page Designer. Select the appropriate food category and add your new item to one of the free spaces in the menu layout. Once you've positioned it where you want it, hit Save to confirm your changes and refresh. Exit the back office to the main screen to check your new menu item where it will now be visible. And that's it! You have a new item in your menu to be enjoyed by your customers.